I was born to be free. I was born to be free. Blue skies and golden leaves, and I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. Welcome, guys. Beautiful day, beautiful morning, and beautiful evenings to you all. Who's ready to be wealthy? I know I am. I'm ready to live on the water, guys. Welcome, Beatbox. Next few hours, another zero gone, for sure. Good morning. Fake dump volume weak on 4 hour. Yeah, it's a minor correction on the 4 hour. Short gonna be liquidated. Yeah, it's a fake dump to the downside. Good morning, Bobby. Welcome, better future. No elevated music this morning. 8.6 inflation rates, highest been since in 40 years. I wouldn't rely on the inflation numbers they're putting out. Real inflation is closer to 30%. You can check that out yourself. Just compare the prices of goods from this year versus last year, and see how much they've gone up by. I know gas prices went up at least 50%, so that should tell you something. Welcome, Ascent. Bigger pump expected today, DeFi. Yeah, if we look on the 4 hour, guys, once
Like I said, the patterns always repeat themselves. So on a 4 hour, we are getting we've had a small correction. Let's see if we can plug in the 4 hour. Whenever price is above the moving average, like I've stated, price will continue to uptrend. So you are always going to get a rise above the trend line, then you will always get a retrace to retest the support, and then price will continue to uptrend. So today should be a beautiful day. Good morning, MSJ. Hello, Duke. Welcome, Lawrence. Good evening from Pakistan. Expect volatility today? Yeah, for sure. Sounds like you have some experience in crypto. Yeah. Uh, hi, Adam. Adlam. Texas realist crypto. We are going to pump again. I just loaded up my bag as promised. Let's get this pump going. I told you it was going down to four zeros and five and wouldn't believe me. I mean, price, as long as price doesn't shoot down 50%, I doesn't really call it a correction, or I don't call it a dump. That's how volatile the market is. So you can't really call it 10%, um, 10 to 20% downside a dump. Same way you can't call a 10 to 20% upside a pump. It has to be at least for me 50%. Welcome also top. Luna is the only crypto that is going up today. It seems like the entire market might be going up as well, but Luna Classic will always be the front runner. This is music. Glad you liked it. Do you boys and girls think the market cap will support all the peoples who are going to take out at point 0.1 to a dollar? Yeah, it will, because most people will have already sold by then. So especially once people start to see life-changing money, they will be tempting to sell. So not a lot of people will even get close to that price. Has the burn been implemented? I'm not sure, but I believe it should start today. Good morning, A-Full. Good evening from India. Welcome, Vedega. Ricardo, nice music. Scalp time. Be careful. It's been passed, but it needs to be approved. I believe it was approved. Welcome, Adrian. Don't expect approval this month. Everything has been planned, so they have to approve it. It's their plan. They've give you guys the illusion that it was the community's plan, but in reality, it was their plan to begin with. Just like elections. Once this tax is implemented, we will hit 10 cents in a short time. Yes. Henry, welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. None of your business. Subscribe, you guys. He deserves it. I mean, that. I mean, for people have it backwards. They believe that subscribing is going to help me, but in reality, it's going to help them because there's valuable information here that you won't find elsewhere. So it's to the people's best benefit, not mine. Dagan, it's not looking good, mate. Can you cheer me up a bit? Don't worry, just relax. We're gonna pump, guys. Eric, welcome. What's up, bro? Nice to see you here. When this tax is implemented, we hit will we hit 10 cents in 30 days, 60 days with the volume that's taken place? I see it happening a lot quicker, especially exchanges will be also doing burns as well, and also community members. I mean, community groups. Nice. You took my advice to go live with music when it reaches $1. Oh, I didn't realize my cam was off. What do you guys think of PayPal wallets? Well, if you like your transactions to be monitored every time you make a transaction, then it's a good wallet. But for me, I personally, I will stick to decentralized wallets. Welcome, Frank. I am totally ready. 85 million in holding. Let's go. Yeah, you've been accumulating. I remember you was at 45 million, I believe, or 55 million. Bitcoin's crashing out, hence why we are going down. Yeah, the entire market, every crypto follows the entire market. But sometimes, uh, in special cases, you might have one crypto going against the market. Even while the market is red, the crypto is pumping. So we might see that effect with Luna Classic, even if the market is dumping. He is talking as emoji. Well, obviously, since you hear you find the information valuable, you could be elsewhere, spending your time elsewhere. Good morning from Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. Just don't follow the Dogecoin millionaire, even though he's still up. Yeah, guys, that's the key here is to take profits. Don't continue to hold when the market is tanking. But you just have to have the proper strategy. JJ, welcome. Any valid reason why the tax wouldn't be implemented? It will. There's no reason for it not to. What do you think about XLM and XRP? I believe those cryptos are government coins, so they will be monitoring your transactions. Learning every day. In crypto since 2011, first time. As you probably know, those Fed meetings always cause volatility before and after. Very bad time to trade. For those wanting to trade today, not good. Yeah, especially those trading on margins and leverage, you will get wrecked. Bro, DeFi, do we are we going to take profit this pump today or still hold? What do you think? Well, I already have a price set in mind where profit should be taken. So the idea is to take profit and be able to have a huge swing. It's called swing trading. So you don't want to be taking profit on a short time frame because price can quickly shoot the other direction right after you take profit. And also, every time you take profit, you will be paying fees. So it's good to just wait until there's a huge buildup to take profit. Hi, DeFi. Welcome, Olipmia. Your intuition and positive vibe helping me. I'm glad it is. You're welcome. Welcome, Neil, Ola, Megal. Love from across the world. The Journeyman. Good morning, DeFi. Welcome, the Journeyman. Yeah, there's a book. Your name reminds me of a book that's called The Invisible Man. It reminds me of that. MSJ, can you name some decentralized wallets, please? Yeah, Trust Wallet, MetaMask. What else? I believe crypto.com DeFi wallet. Welcome, Medahini. Hello, everyone. Ibera, hold your bag very strong. Luna will go up. Yes, it will. You would invest in XRP? Yeah, I do have a small bag, but I'm not going to be using it for transactions. I'm just going to take my profit and put it elsewhere. Arena, welcome. Not sure if I read this right, but anytime someone trades Luna, they pay a burn rate. Yes, exactly, guys. This is why they've implemented the 1.2% burn rate. You will be every time you buy and sell, you will be paying a tax. So this is why it's key to only trade, take profit on the higher time frames. 4085 today again. I'm expecting it to go higher. Luna Classic $0 to $1. Very possible with the proposal going on. Now hold your bag. I agree. I have a bag in Doge. Do you? No, I don't hold Doge. Hi, what do you think about Luna Classic today? Feeling bullish? How are you, man? I'm doing good, Shriga. I hope you are doing well as well. Welcome, April. You know I can't pass up a good party, especially love making money while partying. Exactly. It's a good feeling. Doge has zero future. Ben Foster, do you have SHIB? Yeah, I do have a small amount of SHIB. Although I made some really good money on SHIB, I've never sold everything. I've always leave a small amount in there. How was your sleep? It was good. Although I am making a sacrifice with all this visionary DeFi project because I am losing some type of sleep, but it is only a short sacrifice to, I guess, for the greater good. Good to see you again, bro. Ready to watch this history be made? Exactly. I thought crypto was hedged against inflation, but why are they down now? The crypto market follows stock market. Yeah, at the moment. Eventually, crypto will decouple itself and move independently. It's just not enough people in crypto right now. But once everyone realize inflation, and once they realize, most people don't know or realize crypto is the hedge. Once they realize that, all the money will flow into crypto, and this is where you will see it become decoupled from the stock market. Will people trade Luna if they're getting taxed? Yeah, they will, but most people will wait until they will take profit on a higher time frame, not the lower time frame. If you are scalping, you will end up losing a lot more money than gaining in the long run. You're just giving exchanges your money. Hit the like button, guys and girls. Let's get our man to 100 likes. Welcome, Sharky. Thank you for your positive vibes, Manuel. Had a rough week having a chef opportunity being a rug pulled from me. So almost felt like giving up. Thank you. That's a sign, I believe, because you are near the end of that journey as a chef. So the universe is preparing you for a better life. So embrace it. DeFi, how much we pumping today? All depends on how much they are burning and how fast the market is moving. We should have already removed the zero, but the market have been consolidating overnight, which is a very positive sign. When you sell and take profit, is that when you would transfer it to a wallet with DI? Yeah, if you are on exchanges, uh, take profit and wait until the dip. Then after you buy the dip, then you transfer your coins to your wallet. Joe, that sacrifice you make, you will reap 100x. God bless you. Thank you. Yes, I am aware of the law of reciprocity. So whenever you give, the universe rewards you greater in return. So it's an investment as well. I've always had this mindset where um, whenever I give, I always expect and say that the universe will reward me greater in return. Always has. Will 100K to Luna Classic be enough to get rich? Yes, you will just have to wait a little bit longer. Contrix, it's not down. You must not look at the shorter time frames. Look longer time frames and you see BTC is the hedge against inflation over time. Exactly. Is it true that burning of Luna was voted on? Yes, and it was passed. So we are just waiting for the burn to happen. I am a little confused though. When is the tax going to be implemented? I expect it to start today into the weekend. Can you still buy and sell crypto from a wallet? Yes, you can. You can use Pancake Swap, Trust Swap, not Trust Swap. Use your Trust wallet to connect to Uniswap and to swap. But sometimes you can just directly swap within the wallet. You'll just have to have some Ethereum to cover gas fees. Happy Crypto says it's going to moon. Yes, it will. I agree. I mean, it's gonna moon. Welcome, Jamie. The Bollinger Bands are tightening up. That's a signal of a possible pump. Yes. Broski, how long have you been in this space for? I remember you said you swapped from stocks to crypto. Well, I've been trading for, I would say about almost 4 years, 3 to 4 years now. My journey started in Forex, then from Forex to stocks, then from stocks to crypto. So I've been in crypto for almost 3 years, 2.5 years to 3 years now. MSJ, how do you use crypto once it's in your wallet to purchase a house, cars, or food? Well, businesses are beginning to accept crypto. So just hold on and you will see that all the businesses start to accept crypto and countries begin to legalize it and make it a legal tender. If you are in the US, there's many organizations or people that helps you buy houses with crypto. So you can find them. And there's many I guess places that accept crypto in the forms of making payments for houses or buying houses. The main thing is, although the volume of Luna Classic is 3 million per day, we are only taxing the exchanges that are actually implementing, so the number is lower. Welcome to Bob. Hi, DeFi. Do you know what's happening with Wrap Luna on Coinbase? Cheers. I believe they are waiting for the price to be higher for them to resume trading. It's all politics with those exchanges, and um, I would expect Robinhood to get involved as well and dabble the hands into a Luna Classic because once it get closer to 1 cent, that's when you will start to hear the news about Robinhood coming on board. Arena. Just waiting for the day Luna hits 1 cent and everyone who didn't believe start throwing their life savings into Luna. Yeah, that's when the masses will get in. You savage. Yeah, I've always had previously I love gambling. So that's what kind of got me into trading. But eventually I've learned the hard way that gambling is not the way to go, and I had to change my mindset into an investor mindset. To buy Luna Classic on Binance, I have to buy BUSD first and buy Luna Classic with BUSD. So when I sell, do I convert back to USD and then sell the BUSD? No, when you sell, it automatically convert it to BUSD, so you don't have to convert it. And BUSD is a stable coin, so you don't have to. You can just keep it in there for now. Opeos, have you heard XRP, Radix? What do you think? Oh, XRD. No, I haven't heard of those names. Is it possible to connect one wallet to multiple devices at the same time? Yes, you can. I would be careful. Always disconnect your wallet after you're done so you don't give hackers any chance of getting into your wallet. I believe Luna will pump to 1 USD this month and 10 USD end of year. Yeah, I agree. Elon Musk too. Not that we need him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's already bought if he hasn't already. Some people will see the opportunity, especially FOMO. FOMO is an emotion, is an uncontrollable urge and emotion, almost uncontrollable. Chung, are Voyager and Uphold legit crypto exchanges? I mean, crypto exchanges are a business that's in the business to make money, guys. So treat it as a business. I wouldn't trust my crypto in there. What is Ethereum? And does that come from the amount of crypto you are trying to swap? Ethereum is a crypto and it also has its own blockchain. And there's a lot of contracts that's on top of that blockchain. So you have to pay the gas fee to swap those tokens on that exchange. We have to pay minor fees. Pro G, Luna burning started. Yeah. Yeah, they've been burning, but real burn hasn't really happened yet. Man, you relate so much to me, it's unreal. Used to be a hard gambler from the age of 20 to 26. When I finally got introduced to crypto, can never lose with crypto. Yeah, exactly. Just hold and don't never use leverage trading and never use margin trading, and you will be fine. Do you think it's a good time to accumulate Shiba and Doge now at these prices? Yeah. Arena? What would be a sick idea is to allow Luna in the future in video game tokens so you can buy things in games such as designs or upgrades. Kid would eat that up. Very interesting. Is there any chance that Luna Classic will overtake ETH? I've stated earlier that there's a high probability that Luna Classic might overtake even Bitcoin because Bitcoin is an archaic crypto. It's too slow and it's expensive to make transactions, while Luna is very efficient and is very cheap to conduct transaction as well as doing transfers, and it's extremely quick and fast. Will SHIB get to $1? Yes, it will. I used to trade on margin and got hammered once the market turned. Yeah, the you barely have any movement uh, to trade a margin. One slight movement, then you get close to liquidation. Yeah, I don't recommend leverage trading. I didn't turn off my internet while creating my wallet. Should I worry? No, you shouldn't be worried. It's just it just it's a recommend it, I just recommended that you do it so you know the percentage of hackers getting your seed phrase is zero. But Tron is also fast and very cheap, so why not Tron the next Bitcoin? Because Tron is not that volatile. Luna Classic is the most volatile, one of the most volatile crypto I have ever seen and traded with. When will burn start? I'm not sure, so should expect it to happen today, starting today. I'll be right back, guys. Dropping off, bro. Need to finish some work. Catch you in a few hours. Peace. All right. See you later, Neil. Good job, bro. Love your live stream, brother. Thank you, Simon. Are you thinking about buying a house in Mexico? Are you renting now? Yes, I'm currently renting, and I do plan on buying houses, hotels, and uh, as a form of investments. James, what's your opinion on Safe Moon? I'm I'm on the fence with a Safe Moon, so it's 50-50, but it will go up with the market. High DeFi. Is there any hope for AX axis? Should we expect a pump anytime soon? Yeah, whenever the markets start to pump, guys, all crypto will pump. So even rug pulls, even scams will pump as well. The body might needs hours of sleep, but the soul just needs minutes of peace of mind to reset. Find the courage to sleep deep and far from earthly existence. Yeah, I agree. Adam, so who's behind Luna? Press one. Oh, that's for the chat. Visionary DeFi is gone dark. The bullish bear, welcome. Will Luna Classic take over ETH? Will a SHIB reach $1? When will the burn start? I found where the lazy non-researchers and scrubs are hiding. Will Luna Classic take over ETH? That's one question. It's a possibility. Will SHIB reach $1? Yes. When will the burn start? I am not sure. I found where the lazy non-researchers and scrubs are hiding. Interesting. Good to know. JJ, how do you expect the transition from fiat to crypto to happen and over what period of time? I just don't see where crypto gets its value as fiat dumped to zero. Well, you are witnessing the transition from fiat to crypto because you did the exact same thing, and all of you who are here already transitioned from fiat to crypto. So the moment you bought crypto, you've made the transition. So more people are coming into crypto. That tells you the transition will continue. This is how the run up starts, guys. It always starts as a steady climb, and then you get that spike up. What exchanges do you use to buy your crypto? Binance. If it's low caps, then I use decentralized, which is Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Luna Classic $1 in 1 year possible. I'm calling for this month. Other than Luna Classic, what What other tokens have you invested in? Yeah, there's too many to names right now. I would have to go into my wallet. Bro, can Trust Wallet by Binance get hacked? Since it's an online wallet and digital, is it really safe? I mean, to answer it, it's a yes and a no type of question because uh, most things online can be hacked. The only way hackers get into information is through people, so they can't just hack into something without access. There has to be a middleman that makes it happen. Most of the time when there's a hacks, especially in exchanges, there's always a middleman, someone that's on the inside providing the information or carrying the information. It's always an inside job. So in terms of you getting hacked in Trust Wallet, then the hacker will be using you as the middleman. So this is why you have to be vigilant. So only you can allow yourself to get hacked. Where do you think we will be by the end of the streaming? No way to tell, really. You can't really determine things on a short-term basis. Breaking: Terra employees reportedly confirmed to the SEC that Duquan cashed out 80 million a month prior to Luna and USD crash. Interesting. Sure, but as fiat goes to zero, then how will crypto be valued? Currently, we know where we stand as fiat has still any value. Do you see the transition to happen over this decade or quicker? It will happen quicker, and crypto will get its value from real assets like gold and silver. So you will eventually see crypto get backed by silver and gold. So basically, Trust Wallet can't get hacked if I write down my code and never save it. Yeah, exactly. When does the 1.2% burn kicks in? I have no idea, guys. I don't really follow the news.
I could feel it in my chest. We're the ones who understand and could see it in our eyes. You sit right next to my soul. When you're standing next to me, and my heart is in control. I could feel it in my bones. I could feel it in my hands. I could feel it in my chest. We're the ones who understand. See, feel the senses. My mind's in different places. I can see it. My heart is in
When dollar price this month. 95% of these crypto will be gone. There's so many S coins out there and coming out daily. Only a few will make it to the end. Yeah, I believe so. ISO 2020 tokens go live on November 22, ushering the new financial system. Interesting. It's going down, boys. May it reverse and shoot up today? Yeah, I believe so. What's up? Hey, Osborne. Welcome. Slow down, Mr. Obvious. Good afternoon, Visionary DeFi. What's the prospect of Axes? Will there be a possible pump anytime soon? Yeah, I expect everything to pump with the market.
Somewhere close to harmony when the world is sound asleep.
One of the 4 hour candles, guys. I'm not sure if you can see this, but let's remove that line so you can see better. Okay, this is what's happening, guys. So, like I've always have said, is you are going to see the rise above the trend line, then it's going to retest it, come back down, and once it finish retest, then you will get the continuation. What we are about to see is a pump on the 4 hour chart, guys. So that means price is going to move. That means price is going to be moving at very high speed. It's going to be very volatile today, guys, and going into the weekend. So that 4 hour candle closes in approximately 1 hour in 1 minute. So when that candle closes, then you will get another candle, another 4 hour candle that should take price back up. So it seems like we might have to wait about 1 hour before price really starts to pump. Apply in July, fly to the moon. If you never withdraw your cryptocurrency and you purchase real estate with crypto, would you need to worry about taxes? At least not yet until exchanges become regulated by government, right? Well, crypto is government won't be able to tax crypto because it's an asset. So uh, the best advice I can give when it comes to buying properties is just you can take a loan out on your crypto because your crypto is an asset. So just take the loan out and use the loan to purchase the property, and you can use crypto as I guess the collateral. But for those of you who just wants to just outright own something, you can just wait until every business accept cryptocurrency and then just pay them in cryptocurrency so you don't have to have loans. Okay, but even silver and gold are tied to USD. So as USD falls, how will the transition to asset crypto pairing happen without USD? USD, guys, is not real money. USD is a paper currency. It's paper. All it says, if you look at the US dollar or any crypto or any paper money, it is a legal tender, which is mean it's a IOU. It's just whenever you purchase any goods, you just handing someone a piece of paper saying, "Hey, I owe you this amount. I'll pay you back later." And eventually, you never come back and give them the real value, so it just gets passed on to the next person. So, silver and gold is the actual real money. You can hold it. That's real value. Keith, this is all BS. Sad. I'm not sure what you think is. You have always been negative from the beginning, so I shouldn't concern this comment as serious. Daquan, why July and what level? Tambi, spot and future trading, which is the best for beginners? Spot trading. Don't use future trading. Good morning, all. Welcome, Allison. So many people are going to miss out on this opportunity. It's like I'm not sure if you've seen the giraffe in the quicksand. uh, the denial is what's going to keep people from taking hold of this opportunity. Hello, Arnie. USD seems to be not moving in contrast with Luna Classic, right? Any prediction? I don't believe in UST because anything that is um, linked to the US dollar is not safe. People calling this BS, but will be the ones holding it still, or will throw the last few dollars they have when FOMO kicks in. Yes, exactly. Those are the people that will be buying at all time high. How much do we need to own? As much as you can afford. Welcome, Fernando. Greetings, everyone. Manuel, thanks for hosting this live. They bring some confidence that Luna Classic will change the lives of everyone. Yes, exactly. Do you think SEC and XRP case in this year? Yeah, because it has to, because the bull run is beginning. So if the case doesn't end, then XRP will not go anywhere. I'm not sure. I'm sure a lot of you guys can already feel that your life is changing because you feel the emotion before things become materialized and manifest in the physical. So this is how your intuition and your gut tells you something is about to happen. So if you are in tune with yourself, you can already feel that your body is shifting, that your reality is shifting. For me, I personally sense that on a daily basis. So this is my confirmation that Luna Classic will get to $1. Do you think the crypto bull run has already started? A lot of so-called analysts are saying crypto winter is upon us. Yeah, the bull run is here, guys. I wouldn't listen to the news. Whenever they are saying anything, I would usually go the opposite way. So you are saying XRP. So you saying XRP needs the good old US to survive? No, the US needs XRP to survive, or any other government uh, coins. Because if a country doesn't adopt crypto, or any business doesn't adopt crypto, or banks doesn't adopt crypto, they will become obsolete, and they will become like Blockbuster did and vanish. Cam, welcome. Good morning, DeFi. Thanks for sharing your knowledge with us. It's a pleasure. Johnny, welcome, Johnny. What coin is good for holding? Bank. What coin is holding for holding? Uh, DAI stablecoin. As far as putting your profits into it so it doesn't move up and down. Victor. Yes, I feel it also. I am feeling more patience inside. That's awesome. Imagine the US new currency is XRP. Yeah, they are coming out with a digital currency. Every country is. Karina. Not sure if Luna will take over Bitcoin, but I do believe it will rank number 7. Zolta shoulder. Hello. Yes, I am back for more pain. Well, your soul is guiding you to the right place, so I would listen to it. Goku, good morning from Cali. Are we dropping that zero soon? Yeah. JJ, I get what you are saying, but what is 1 kilogram of gold worth without fiat, and how its value will transition to crypto as fiat falls? Is there going to be a recoupling decision from gold fiat to gold? Yeah, there's going to be I guess I don't know how to put this, but it's going to be a reevaluation of what $1 is, of what uh, one I guess what's the word I'm looking for? What is one increment of something is worth? So this is how gold will be based on whether how much is backed up, how much crypto is backed up by silver or gold. Augustine, welcome. I am holding Luna Classic for 1 year. You don't have to be a diamond hand, just know when to take profit. If DAI is pegged to the US dollar, then the US dollar crashes, wouldn't die. No, DAI is not pegged to the US dollar. DAI is its own stable coin. USDT is pegged to the US dollar. DAI is paired to the US dollar, but DAI is also paired with other currencies. It also doesn't pair to any other currency. It all depends on which one you buy, which pair you put your money into. Cake Roy, is Luna Classic still related to USTC? I am not sure. Henry, is Duquan's permission needed before the burn is implemented? When exactly do we expect the burn? No, the decision was made by the community, so he doesn't really have any power as to what happens now. Do you think Shiba will hit $1 this year? For sure. So, which is the safest pair then for DAI? Will DAI be here forever, even since it's stable 100 years? Yeah, DAI is here to stay. Just buy whatever. There's DAI that doesn't pair to any other crypto. Just buy that, or anything that is not US, that is not paired with USD or DT. should have called it the Luna Dump Party. It's all a mindset. Uh, for those of for those with the wrong mindset, will focus on the wrong thing, and this is why they will miss valuable information. Lunatics checking in. Welcome, Ronald. Realistic Luna Classic will be more than 10 cents around July. Osborne, have you heard of Terrarium? Yes, I've made plenty videos on that, and I don't really recommend it. There's other better cryptos out there. So you're saying buy DAI that is the only paired with other cryptos and not the USD. So DAI is paired with USD will crash. I'm not sure I understand it. So you're saying by DAI that is the only paired with that is only paired with other cryptos and not USDT. Well, DAI is paired with itself. Really, it's its own stable coin. So other exchanges use it to pair with USDT to allow trading, but in your wallet, it's not paired with anything. It's just DAI. So as long as you have it in your wallet, you don't have to worry about that. It's only when you're trading on exchanges you have to worry about that. Luna Classic going to drop 1-0. Are you sure? Because yesterday you also said, but nothing happened. Yeah, because the market never moved, so it went into consolidation. Augustine, what is the top 5 cryptos to buy? I made a video on the channel. It's titled 6 Crypto Gems. You can take a look at it. Any thoughts on FEG holding for a year now? Sorry to talk off the subject. Mm, there's I haven't done much research on it, but I did used to trade it, so I don't hold anymore at the moment. But like I said before, once the crypto market start to pump, it will pump. So even if you have a bag in it, it will go up. Thanks for the feedback. Thoughts on KDA? I have no idea about KDA. JJ, so the transfer from fiat to crypto will not be a slow bleed, but rather an instant switch. Are you expecting this year? Transfer from fiat to crypto. Well, it's a gradual thing that's happening. Uh, it happens in cycles. So each cycle there's going to be an influx of new investors that comes into crypto that transfers that convert the fiat into cryptocurrency. So last year you had a cycle which caused the previous bull run, and this year you will see a bigger cycle which should have already happened, but due to 10 to 20 years, the Jews will not relinquish control over fiat without a fight. Well, they can't control cryptocurrency, so it's not something they can control. So it's either they join the game or they fade away into the background. The switch will take 10 to 15 years. Only about 4 to 5% of the entire world invest in crypto. Can Luna Classic be pegged back to USTC to get Luna Classic back to $1 faster? No, I don't think it's gonna happen. It's best that Luna Classic doesn't pair with anything. It's gonna be uh, better for Luna Classic. Forget $1. Luna XRP has been trying for 10 years. My bad, XRP hit $1.98. Welcome with and equals without. Anyone ever notice crypto markets upswing every Friday to Sunday while Wall Street is closed for the weekend? Yeah, this is why eventually crypto will be decouple itself from the crypto market, because not the crypto market, from the stock market, because the stock market is what's actually keeping crypto down a little bit. So whenever you see the market closes, that's when you see crypto really pumps. So during the bull run, you will witness that it is during the night that crypto pumps, and during the day you will have the corrections when the market is open, because the market will most likely be tanking. When does the 1.2% take place, and how soon to reach $1? Rude. Rude 360. I have no idea when it will be implemented. So I'm expecting it to happen today, since it's already been approved and passed. And to $1 is this month. Is Uniswap easy to use for new crypto investors? Can you buy mainstream tokens on the platform? Yeah, Uniswap is easy. There's many videos out there that shows you how to use it on YouTube, but mainstream doesn't know about Uniswap, and you can't buy any mainstream tokens on that exchange. XRP does not burn tokens. Gold fiat to gold BTC switch. It should happen eventually as global decision. So wondering how soon as fiat is falling, hyperinflating. This year seems like a stretch by 2025. Well, whenever those type of scenarios happens, and if you take a look back in history, it doesn't take that long for something like that to happen. It can be a matter of weeks or a month for all those changes to take place. 994 million burned so far. Hopefully 10 billion by the end of the year. The the burns are going to happen very rapidly, guys. I wouldn't be worried about burns. Imagine waking up to 10 cents Luna Classic. Would you cash out, son? At first, I would look at the chart to see if it's time to take profit or not. How long will it? How low will it go today? Do you think? Not much low. It's at the support level. So I wouldn't. We are watching it only on the 1 minute time frame. It's not really moving on the higher time frames. It's just consolidating, especially on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour candle closes in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, we should start to see the pump upward. So you are going to see a new candle form and start to go on the upside, uptrend. When pump is today, yeah, everything looks like it. This pump is taking a break or the pump is done. There's always going to be a pump, then a cool off, or you can call it a correction, then a slight consolidation, and a continuation of a pump. It's the cycle. Look at the 4 hour RSI and remember this value at 4 zeros and 5. Yeah, it's just a minor correction on the 4 hour. It's about to start moving on the 4 hour. So once it start moving on the 4 hour, guys, you can see it easily remove 2 zeros in one day. What do you think about crypto app and crypto wallet? Crypto wallet is good, is decentralized, but the crypto app is a centralized exchange. So the whole purpose of crypto exchanges is they're just a business to allow you to transfer, to buy crypto and to swap cryptos. So they are just like a business. So If for instance they get hacked and a large amount of funds get taken out, they can go bankrupt, and in that instant you lose all your crypto. So this is why it's key to leave it in your wallet.
falling down and
Huge market sell-off today due to high inflation numbers. Yeah, it's just the transition. Like I've stated before, you will see people liquidate their assets from other investment and come into crypto, because crypto is the hedge against inflation. So as soon as the stock market closes, then you will really start to see the pump. But before then, we should see the slight creep upward into the uptrend, because the stock market is what's keeping crypto down at the moment. Inflation numbers looks bad. Well, the number they are claiming is 8%, but real inflation numbers is really close to 30%, the least. If something happens, will you tell us when you think there is a buy? Yeah, I will in the Telegram, and I will also uh, tell you guys on live. Hit the like button like you mean it. Exactly.
falling down and broken, collapsing it seems to us. Pressing on, it's not over. Now it depends every day and every night. Should you go or should you fight? It's okay, just take my hand through it all. You will say.
Do you ever use Elliott Wave Indicator? What's your thoughts on it? No, I haven't used it, but it's pretty accurate because it's linked to universal patterns. Terra $10 possible within this user. Welcome, Shay.
And fly free, the winds beneath, soaring high, your breath strong. Forever you will not fall. Every day and every night. Should you go or should you fly? It's okay, just take my hand through it all. You will say.
Are you still not expecting governments to have banks switch their clients' fiat to crypto when the global decision will happen? Otherwise, a lot of people will be left out and cause major chaos. No, I don't believe they will switch their clients' fiat fiat to um, crypto without their knowledge. Only if um, banks are beginning to offer that service, but most people that doesn't know about it will be losing out. Is Terra coin or token? Terra is a blockchain. Luna Classic is a coin on the blockchain. Coin token, same thing. The main thought on people's mind is whether to swap out some coins for Luna Classic because Luna Classic might thrive first. Not your decision, I know. Just curious of just curious because of your conviction. Thank you. Well, I've done it, so because I know Luna Classic will be the front runner and it will skyrocket before other cryptos. So I have taken some profits from have swapped other investments in other cryptos into Luna Classic. Do you think Tesla will be the richest market cap company in the world in the future? No, I don't believe so. Texas, realist crypto. We're getting that pump now. Yeah, in 30 minutes, we should start to see a pump, guys, when the 4 hour candle closes and form a new one. Tesla is going to sucks in the future. What a great conversation we're off today. Zero negativity. That's the way. Exactly. The FUD takes care of itself of themselves. As long as you just ignore the FUD, the negativity, it goes away. Actually, Terra will hit 10 US dollar within this year. Yeah, for sure. Nice green stairs. Yes. All I needed to hear. All right, sir. I am sure governments will have to figure out a switch assistance for the less tech-savvy citizens. I just don't see hundreds of millions, if not billions, holding valueless fiat. Yeah, there's banks already beginning to offer bitcoins to customers. So banks are already beginning that. I'm not sure about governments though. The FUD take care of itself as long as you ignore the negativity. It goes away. Yes. Some will never stop. Some will never drop fiat because of the feeling of holding it in the hand. Exactly. Augustine, where do I buy XRP? You can buy it LBank, Hotbit, um, a KuCoin, I believe. Or what pump? This pump. It's all perspectives and mindset. That's why we have different people in the world, and that's why you have the 1%, then you have the masses. Nothing, not saying that there's anything wrong with being part of the masses. It's just depends on the lifestyle you want to live and how you want to experience life. These only 10,000 backers, they need to pump these numbers up. Too many institutions are shorting crypto so that regular folks wouldn't be able to become rich. The elite does not want us to enter this cycle. Then it's time for us to create our own cycle. What do you think of Shiba? It will moon. Trolls are people too. Yes, they are. They are just serving their purpose. Don't expect more from Luna Classic. Luna Classic will reach $1 in 2030. Well, a lot of people were doubting that Luna Classic would even get to $1. Now that they see it's possible, now they are changing the tunes and they are changing the date. So it was first Luna will never reach to $1. Now it's Luna will reach $1 only at this time, this certain time. Bro, when this hits $1, I will throw a party for you with 10 hot midgets. Interesting. Here we go. Can you make millions by creating your own coins? Yes and no. First, you need creating a crypto is just like creating a business. You need to treat it as a business, or it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to be a pump and then there's going to be a dump. So, to have a successful crypto is to treat it as a business, and you also need good advertising, which is marketing, and you also need a strong community behind it. Other than that, you'll just get a pump and a dump, and people will just fade away, or investors will fade away. Even collectibles gain in value over time. Money, fiat, cowrie shell, etc., only have the value people give it. Have you seen the Justin Timberlake movie In Time? That's one of my favorite movies of all time. So, yes, anything can have value as long as people come together and say, hey, this is value. Even a piece of a rock can have value. If society deems a rock should be the only currency, then that's what will happen. When USD bonfire. Do you think Doge could overtake Bitcoin as number one market cap? I don't believe so. What's the present status of Luna burn poll on Terra Station? On Terra Station? On Terra Station? Well, the proposal has been passed and approved. It's just waiting for the burns to be implemented. So expect the pump to happen soon. In Time was such an amazing movie script. Justin Timberlake was lucky for that role. Yeah, that was an interesting movie. There's a lot of truth in that movie as well. If because money is the lack of money is what creates stress, then stress ages you because uh, it causes the body to be in survival mode versus growth. So your cells are simply dying and replicating damaged cells. So you are literally killing yourself by stressing out. So money gives you the ability to not be stressed out, and it gives you the advantage of not stressing out. So you live your life more calm and with peace, and that way you don't age as often. So time essentially is money, and money is time, but money should be only used as a tool. I was just talking about the movie In Time. My briefcase would have a cold wallet of Luna Classic. Okay, guys, it seems like on a shorter time frame, we cross over the moving average. Remember, every time price crosses the moving average, for those that wants to learn trading, always keep your trading simple. All you really need is the Bollinger Bands and the MACD, which is down here. I rarely look at the MACD. I can just trade simply by using the Bollinger Bands, but the MACD is just another confirmation. As you can see, price is green on the MACD, and prices crossed over the moving average. So the trend has reversed itself into an uptrend. We have just come out of a downtrend and now entering an uptrend. Do you think Luna Classic can remove two zeros in one day? Yes, once they start to move on the 4 hour and the daily chart, and we are about to begin to see that. which time frame you use to confirm an uptrend? It all depends what time frame you trade on. Personally, I don't recommend trading on any time frame lower than the 1 hour, and each each pattern will repeat itself on each time frame. So the only reason I have the 1 minute time frame up is just for visual, not for trading strategies. So for instance, I'm going to show you how the patterns just repeat themselves. So let's erase this. Let's just move this here. So remember I said whenever price get above the moving average, this is when you will see the pump and price will reverse. Remember, this is the 1 minute chart. Price got above it, retraced, and then you will see a huge pump. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna look on the 4 hour and find the same pattern. So here we see the same pattern on the 4 hour. Price crossed the moving average, retraced, and then the next green candle, which will form in 2 minutes time, should be a green candle and skyrocket the price, guys. So this is where you will see the pump. So look, we can look on the 1 minute and determine the next candle on the 4 hour. So the next candle will be a huge green candle like this one. And then the next one will be another huge green candle that skyrockets the price. So you are seeing that exactly playing on the 4 hour here. So that candle will close in less than 2 minutes. And we are already beginning to see the pump, guys. So I would say brace yourselves. We are heading to the moon. It's going to be an interesting day, to say the least. All you have to do in trading is find the patterns and find the cycles, because the cycles always repeat themselves, and you can see all that in nature as well, guys. Are we looking at the 4 hour now? We were, but um, we are looking at the lower time frame just for visual, because if we look at the higher time frame, things aren't really moving yet. So once things really start moving on the 4 hour, then it will move too quickly to look at things on the 1 minute frame. Welcome, Spawn. Hey, bud, I managed to go from 20 mil to 30 mil this week with good scalping, sell, and buy. But now I want to just wait and chill. Do you think I can triple this with your signals? I'm sure you've experienced a lot of stress trying to scalp trying to scalp your way to 30 mil, but I'm glad it's over. So yeah, just chill and you will easily triple that amount. Vedega, it's very good if exchanges also burn Luna Classic out of transaction fees. Yeah, they will. Some exchanges are already doing it. Here we go. Yes. This is a very educational channel worth the watch. Thank you. And this is what people fail to understand. They think that just because the titles say pump party, they just expect just pump, and then they just miss the information and leave the channel, and you just miss the information. The information is worth more than the actual watch party itself. But like I said again, it's all a mindset. Zola double bottom on the 4 hour. I don't believe so. Let's look at the 4 hour. No, I don't believe it's gonna form a double bottom because price move up too quickly to form a double bottom. So as you can see, you can already see the next candle is turning green, and then this is the next pump up. So give it a few moments, it should turn green, and things are about to move very quickly, especially when things are moving on a 4 hour chart. Your patience is appreciated. Thank you. Luna Classic will delete 1 0 tomorrow. Yeah, for sure. Even two. You would trade really well in forex. Why don't you trade forex? What do you think the future of forex will be beyond being fiat currency will collapse? Well, I transitioned into crypto because there's more gains in crypto because of volatility, and I don't believe I see a future in forex because the fiat currencies will collapse. So everyone is already beginning to transition over to crypto. This is an awesome chat. Thank you, awesome. You are awesome. Thank you. You are awesome as well. Everyone's awesome. Hi, bro. Hello, Kothian. 20 mil to 30 mil scalping. Is that in Mexican pesos? No, I believe he mean he had 20 um, million Luna Classic, and he was scalping and buy and sell, trading on a lower time frame to finally arrive at 30 million Luna Classics. Okay, things are moving quickly, guys. So let's take a look on the lower time frame. With with the almost 1,000 members of Visionary DeFi Telegram, can it be a good number of community for the coin to grow? Well, at the moment, it's a thousand, 1,060 members around that area. So many cryptos you've had reach many cryptos started at one. I've witnessed this, and most of you will witness this as well. Many new tokens started at one at launch. They started at one Telegram member and reached to 500 Telegram members, and the market cap of that crypto reaches 10 million. So imagine with over 1,000 members and with a strong community, how far Visionary DeFi will go. Overnight, this thing can jump to 10 million market cap. Arena, everyone's selling off their stocks and liquidating it and buying gold. This inflation hit has had people selling off so hard. Yeah, the smart money will come into crypto first, and then we'll take profit and buy gold and silver. Does the same principle from Forex analysis work with crypto charts? If you can successfully trade in Forex, then it's the same as crypto, right? Like piano and guitar. Yeah, it's the same thing. So that's why the transition for me was easy because I've already learned what I needed to know. Here's the pump, guys. Here it comes. For those of you who are in the Telegram group, imagine yourself already reach millionaire and billionaire status, and you reinvest some of that money into a newly launched crypto. Imagine putting 1 million into Visionary DeFi, and then within a few days it 10x. We've just made 100. What 10x would be 10 million, 10 million overnight. So you just keep getting richer and richer, wealthier and wealthier. You always skipping my questions. If you don't know, just say that. Honestly, I never sees your question. I'm not sure why. If I don't answer your question, if it's either it's not important or I don't see it. You can ask the question again and I'll answer it. But I really did not see your question. Everything is awesome. Crypto is cool when you're in the community. Exactly. We need a pump song, please. Okay, sure. I'll try to change it. You mean the pump song, Pump It Up? This is super exciting. Yes. You think Visionary DeFi will 10x that fast? Yeah, it will 10x in a matter of minutes. That's amazing. It's always hard to make the first million. The rest is easy. Exactly. The first is always the hardest. He doesn't skip question time. Sometimes the chat lags to the screen. Yeah, and most of the time either I just don't see the questions. Do you think billionaires like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett are afraid of what's coming with crypto, or are they naive, just naive? They think crypto has no value and is evil. Well, they're just saying that so people don't buy so they can buy it for themselves. They understand what's going on. They were whales. That's what whales do. They cause panic and fear, and retail investors sell, and whales come in and buy it cheaper. Don't listen to what they're telling you. I didn't see his questions. Yeah, I didn't see it either. 1 minute time frame is not a pump. Yeah, it's just for visuals because if I look on a higher time frame, then the chart will look like it's frozen. When do you propose for burn? When do you propose? When do you propose the burn will be implemented on Luna Classic? I'm not sure, but I'm expecting it to happen today, starting today. You know it won't 10x in that amount of time. Well, obviously you have never watched any crypto launch. In a matter of minutes, a newly launched crypto can get to 100x. That's why it's key to get in early. Important lists 100%, bro. Oh, always watch what rich people do and don't do what they say. Yeah, watch the actions. Don't watch what people say. Actions speak louder than words. You're also generous with your knowledge, DeFi. We are so lucky. Thank you. I just try to share it so that way, more people can know about what's going on so they can pass on the knowledge to other people. Sharing is caring. Same as last night show is over. We shall see. We shall see. Where can we buy gold and silver? Any exchange for what we can buy the physical? Yeah, if you're in the US, let's see if I can show this. Yeah, I don't believe my browser will show it. Let's see. If you're in the US, you can use a JM Bullion, which is what I used to use. And there's another one. See if I can pull it up. And most of them are starting to accept crypto, so you don't have to use fiat to buy them. Just use crypto. Yeah, you can use JM Bullion, but like I said, I wouldn't be buying gold and silver right now. Just wait until you make your big money in crypto. Then you take the profit and you buy gold and silver, and then you preserve your wealth. This is a way to preserve the wealth, but you have to make the wealth first before you can preserve it. If you don't have the wealth, what what use is it to preserve something you don't have? This gold and silver is the preservation of wealth. Just buying silver and gold will not make you wealthy. Well, gold Gold at the moment is $1,800 an ounce, and silver is at $22 an ounce. So it went down quite a lot since I used to buy last year. For those of you who are interested in knowing what the real silver actually looks like, I'm gonna grab one and show you. Okay, guys, and another place you can also buy silver is called Atmex. I'm not sure if you can see this. Atmex.com. They also You can also buy it from there. I only trust Atmex and bullion because you can always get fake silver. So this is what the actual silver looks like. It's interesting to I get to see it physically. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's an actual coin, but it's bigger than a coin. This one is the Liberty Eagle. Yeah, this is the one right here. Let's see. Is this one here? I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see what, but that's besides the point. I'm not sure if I'm able to go on appmex.com. Yeah, it's allowing me. This is the other place you can buy precious metal. In my opinion, I believe silver is gonna be more expensive than gold because I've had a few ounces in gold and I've sold and just bought silver instead. Maybe you should have the 4-hour chart and the 1-minute chart on at the same time. Well, my internet is not that great, so that's just gonna lag the screen even more to have more than one chart up. When Luna Classic will start burning, bro? I have no idea. I'm expecting today to start. Why isn't my question dropping on the chat? Is your token coming onto Binance Exchange? Skull? I'm not sure why your question is not coming on the chat, but eventually, yes, it will. But I wouldn't wait until it gets there. By that time, it's going to burn a lot of zeros. Won't the code needed to be rewritten before the burn can be implemented? Scott, not necessarily. They can use a different contract to implement the burn. They don't have to use the same contract. Gold is up 20%. Yeah, people are seeking safety, guys, because they know hyperinflation is coming. Glint is the place for gold. Interesting. I've never heard of it. Put 1K in gold so far, so good. You just told us that it will 10x in a matter of 10 minutes. I love your stream, but you way over exaggerate. Have to still be realistic. I've never said 10 minutes. If you say 10 minutes, I mean 10 minutes. How do you know I am exaggerating? If you're not even part of the project, you don't know the plans I have. But Luna Classic will, but Luna Classic boom will be the biggest in history, the best comeback. Exactly. 99 of your following will get wrecked starting following you. All your prediction this Shiba New Year, Burger King, and Yacht Club Inu were wrong. What makes you think you are right this time around? Well, I'm not wrong because they have barely moved. So once the market start to pump, they will move. Like any other crypto you're holding, the during the while the market was dumping, I'm pretty sure they went down in value. While they went down in value, all those three tokens barely moved. So they were stable coins. So whoever invested in it when I told them never really lose anything. So your assumption is wrong. Silver, I don't know. Spawn. Why not buy BTC instead as it has higher potential for growth and is considered digital gold? Well, if you buy Bitcoin, let's say if you invest $1,000 into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin goes up 100%. Let's say from now it's at 30K. So let's say if it goes 100%, that's 60K. You will only double your money. And if you let's say if you invest $1,000 into Luna Classic, by the time Bitcoin gets to that 100%, you will at least close to 30x to 50x your money. So instead of having $2,000, why not have $50,000? It's all perspective and mindset. After after Luna Classic boom, I am going to preserve cash in gold and real estate. Where can you store the precious metal from the government? anywhere from Anywhere away from your home or in a place no government would come. But this is why again I move away from the US to a country. Mexico is the biggest miner of silver. So this is why Mexico will become one of the richest country in the world. So this is why I moved to Mexico. Is it safe to have them ship gold bars to your address? Well, if you're planning on living there long term, no, because they will share the address to the government. Every time you buy from those places, they send your information to the government, so the government know how much you bought, where it went to. So if you want to be incognito about it, just buy ship it to an address you won't be at or you won't be using long term. For me personally, I would just get a PO box, have it shipped there, and then later down just close your PO box or just keep moving around. You just gotta outsmart them. That's all. 1 minute cross below the AMA again. Is that a bear sign? I won't be concerned about the 1 minute chart. Glint, buy gold and silver allocated to you, and it comes with a debit card to make purchase to hedge against inflation. Buy gold. Interesting. You have beautiful skin. Thank you, Allison. How do I purchase your token? It haven't been launched yet. So just um just go into the Telegram, become a member in the Telegram so you know before we launch and when we launch. Morpheus, you still in the Matrix? Hi to all the trolls. Trolls need loves too. Trolls need loves. Yeah, the negative people always they have a purpose. They have to be negative in the world because there's duality. Whenever there's positive people, you will always see negative people. Negative people comes. So as long as you ignore them, they'll go away on their own. They're just like mosquitoes. I was referring to gold and silver versus BTC. Why not get BTC instead? Oh, after you take profit, because you want to diversify yourself. For instance, if you want to have something you can hold, so you can physically hold it. So if, let's say, for instance, all electricity goes out, you can still feed yourself. You can continue to live the way you are living. Wow, my first live watching DeFi. I think the skeptics have just woken up. Yeah, I hope I hope to go out. I hope to get out without a loss tonight. This thing is going to burn us again. 4 hour RSI overbought. We'll look at the 4 hour. I mean, don't have the trader mindset, but have a investor mindset, guys. Only day traders think short terms in terms of trading. You an investor, just hold and just expect the dollar soon. Will it pump soon? Yes. Dealing with crypto makes me realize why there was such a thing as treasure maps, treasure chests, and hidden treasures in the past. Exactly. I can't wait to invest my 1 million in Visionary DeFi coin. Yeah, it's gonna be like a savings account. I'm gonna put all my most of my profits from Luna Classic into it. What is the purpose of holding the precious metal in gold bars? How can you use it for the future? It's a hedge against inflation as well as crypto because you always want to diversify yourself. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Love how people wait a few days and think Luna Classic should have reached 10 cents already. It's been less than 2 months since the crash. Chill. Yeah, it's interesting. I still believe Luna Classic will hit 10 cents at least by December, for sure. Mosquitoes will suck your blood till they pop. Yeah. How do I get Telegram? The link is in the description below. It will take you directly to the Telegram. J&J, so 50/50 BTC metals diversify. Personally, for me, it's I make the money in crypto, then I put most of the profits in silver and gold. Well, mostly silver now, and I keep whatever I need into crypto and stable coins, unless the market's going up. Then I buy cheaper coins. BL, you are so weak. Yeah, it seems like he's trapped in the matrix. The bigger the red, the bigger the green, guys. Yes. Do not trade. Just buy more at the dip or load up at good entry. Yeah, this is a guaranteed lottery ticket, guys. Don't screw it up. I see DAI token. Is that gonna be the Visionary DeFi token? No, DAI is not a Visionary DeFi token. It's just a stable coin. So whenever you take profits, and especially when the market's going down, you can convert to DAI stablecoin because your money will not go up or down. Do you have a light paper or white paper ready? Yes, everything is on the website. visionarydefi.com. All the link is in the description below. What is the purpose of holding the precious metals and gold bars? Oh, I've already answered that. Are you expecting an upward retrace through the weekend if 4 hour breaks the MA? Wondering if it should sell now and rebuy lower, or not expecting much lower price under 4 hour? Yeah, I'm not expecting much lower price under 4 hour, but then again, it is crypto. Anything can happen because the market is manipulated. But as long as price is maintains above the moving average, uh, we should be fine, guys. And we are seeing that it's trying to test it, so it should go back up. My mate, what is going on? It is the second night that you led us into red. What is your game plan here? This thing is going down to point. I did not lead you into red. I am just showing you the chart. I'm not controlling the market. Just be patient and hold. Do you think Duquan and his team purposely tank Luna? If so, why? Yeah, I believe so. I believe it was a plan to use Luna Classic as the spark of the bull run. That's just my opinion. There's no confirmation to this. What is your opinion on having Luna Classic on Terra Station versus Ledger? It's fine as long as you hold your key phrases. You're fine. Guys, it's okay to see red, because if you cannot handle the red days, then you really don't deserve the green days. There's always going to be red and there's always going to be green. That's how the market works, guys. That's why it's key to just be an investor. That way you don't have to worry about whenever the market's going down. Just hold, chill, and relax, and eventually it will go back up. Bitcoin dumping. Think long term, guys. Mums were the pumps. Motorian line. Dude, impossible this month. I hold, by the way. Load up on the red. Exactly. Opportunities like this is not for everyone, guys, because most people will not see the opportunity to take advantage of it. So this is why they will miss out, or they will view it as a negative circumstance or event. I have only 5 millions. You really think 50 cents is possible before the end of the year? Yeah, it's impossible not to get there. The journeyman, I've been buying at every dip, but no idea how to cash out if I hit my goal. I will need your help. Yeah, that's fine. What exchanges are you using to buy, or what platform do you have your cryptos on? Think long term, yet you say $1 this month. Binance 5 to 50 now. Binance 5 to 50 now since following you. Oh, then you're fine. Once you can easily sell on Binance, and it will be converted into BSU, BSU, BSUD. Then you can either leave it there or convert it to DAI stablecoin and transfer them to your wallet. Or if you wish to transfer to your bank, which I don't recommend, uh, there's two scenarios. You can use an exchange to transfer, such as Binance. Binance does allow you to transfer to your bank account, or just move it to an exchange that allows you that offers that service. Notice how price is holding, guys, above the moving average on the 4 hour. So that's a good sign. How hard did you get burned with Luna? This is why I keep saying it's all perspective. I bought around when it started to get into the 10 cents. Then as I kept going down, I kept DCA until it reaches all the zeros, and I kept buying, and I am all in profit now. I think DeFi is just motivating by saying $1, but then it can hit $1 by July. Impossible to get Luna to zero point 0.5 USD this month. That hold on, guys. You say it's impossible to get to 5 cent to 50 cent this month. Well, I say it's impossible not to. So, in your opinion, we'll be millionaires before 2023? Yes, and billionaires if we hold long enough or hold the proper amount. Nothing is impossible. Exactly. It's all a mindset. And your mindset and your thoughts create reality. He's trying to manifest it by truly believing it. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, great. Yeah, someone understands. I mean, Luna Classic. I just hope it gets to $1 and more so I can invest and live off the profits from that and live near the beach. Well, you are in the right place and you invested in the right thing, so continue to trust yourself. Red candles, not a mindset. Red candles is not a mindset. Yeah, red candles are just like rain. Rain is gonna happen, and whether you believe it's a good thing or a bad thing, then you just have to endure it and continue to look for the good things. Always see the good things and the bad things because they will continue to exist. If you focus on the negative things and the bad things, they will only exhaust you and only stress you out. Only look for the good things and keep a positive mindset and watch how the stress is get released from you. I agree that probably we're in the middle of a mega wealth transfer. Yes, we are. I am selling. Tonight we lose all. Again, look at the 4-hour RSI. We are F. Notice how your thoughts just created your reality. By thinking negatives, you've caused an action to happen. So by selling, you've created that reality for yourself. But it is your money. No one can control how you use it. No one can tell you what to do with it. Still hoping to get to $1 for Luna Classic or higher. Yeah, it will. what it pumped, guys. Where is that 10x gone? So far, we see the lowest price today. DeFi, do you meditate? A full yes, almost every day. For our flirting with the EMA. Yeah. I own an island beach property that the universe gave to me when subconsciously I wanted one, and it became a reality just for 25G. Yes. Yeah. Don't underestimate your subconscious, and don't underestimate what the universe can do, because you essentially create everything you have. The life you have, you either create it subconsciously or consciously. So this is no different than any other ways of creating your reality. You are creating new wealth for yourself by investing in Luna, and the universe is guiding you to the people, the places, the events that will allow for that to happen. I got with just a backpack and a tent. Locals have no idea I own the place. I am a blue collar worker, not wealthy but sensitive to opportunity vibrations when I sense it. Very interesting. Yeah, you don't, all you really need is your mind. You can start from scratch, from zero. I've done it. Within the past. I lost everything. I had businesses, then I lost everything. Then all I started was my mind. All you need is your mind, the right thinking, and you will gain everything back. Do you think Terra will make an announcement soon? I'm not sure. I'm sure they would. When it pumps, it always go back down. The charts are testing or conviction, but it's just a test. Hold strong, people. Defense. Yeah, I agree. Keep holding, guys. Do you like classical music? Yes, I do. The Journeyman USD Bonfire Meetup Party at your island. Sean, did you launch this channel after the Luna crash? No, this channel was launched on, I believe, January of 2022 as a plan for growing growing members for the Visionary DeFi project. We create our hell and heaven via our minds, aka we are our reality creators. Create a masterpiece you are proud and fond of. Yeah, that's couldn't have said it any other way. I heard from someone that the RSI indicator wasn't really all that reliable. It's not, that's why I don't use it. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you, Bedrock. Who stole our green candles? Orsa Top, I like your thinking. I like your mindset. You are playful and you have that inner child in you that comes out every now and then. It's fun and brightening. Opportunity comes and goes. Believe yourself. Future is yours. Just bought 50 million Luna coins. Awesome. Welcome to the club. At least kill 1-0. It will, guys. DeFi, can you please let us know when to sell so we can buy back low to double my bag? I am not rich, but will be. Yeah, I will be letting you guys know in the Telegram. You won't miss the signal. So those red candles are all in my mind. RSI not reliable. Who are you, man? Look at the 4 hour. I'm not saying the red candles are in your mind. I'm saying the red candle will exist because there's green candles. There will never just be green candles, or there will never just be red candles. The pattern has to form itself in the chart. So in order for it to happen, it has to form green and red candles. So it's all a matter of patience. Not all indicators are reliable because they were created by humans. So um, human made things sometimes are not reliable. So you don't know what you are saying. You said it was going to start pumping an hour ago. We shall wait and see. It is big enough to accommodate an entire village. Believe me, white powder like beach sands, crystal clear water. Bring your own tent. Very interesting. Sounds like a paradise. Hang on a second. Are we supposed to be shorting this on Bybit? So your pump is down. We'll do tomorrow night. Okay. I don't recommend shorting, by the way. Just keep on holding. From what we're seeing, it seems the burn might be delayed. I don't know if I'm wrong, but I feel something is definitely happening underground. I'm losing faith with you, man. Yesterday you said it was gonna lose a zero. Today you said it was gonna pump both wrong. That's fine. I said I expected a pump. So you don't have to follow me. It's your choice. We will come. I hope you know that journey, man. Your advice will hurt a lot of new investors in the space. Who has it hurt so far? Tell me. I would like to know. So far, everyone has been profiting. It's interesting. Your mindset will make you miss out. So that's unfortunate. Carol, thanks you for all the time you put into it. People forget that you want to help them with the journey. Yeah, exactly. Some people have the wrong mindset. They believe I'm there to help myself. They don't understand that I'm giving them knowledge that will help them in the journey in crypto. Personally, for me, I'm not really benefiting from these live stream or the channel aside from growing the community of Visionary DeFi. But like I said, when you give out, the universe gives you greater in return. So I understand that. Why people just blame someone else, bro? Believe in mindset. Why people just blame someone else, bro? Believe in mindset. Yeah, people shift blames to others because they don't want to take accountability for their actions. So they always want to seek someone to put the blame on. Only the ones that have the investor mindset will see rewards. Some people in the chat are just gamblers. Yeah, I've noticed that as well. Gamblers always lose at the end. That's why I always advocate don't have a short term mindset, guys. Just buy, hold, and relax and await the wealth that is coming because your fate will be tested. Nice insight today. Thanks, Visionary DeFi. I will join the next live. Nice to have you, Ulu. Why did you pick Luna Classic? There's a lot of other stuff to choose. Yeah, exactly, because I saw the opportunity. And I even sold some of my other coins to buy more Luna Classic because the opportunity was there. Because he is chasing clout. I don't even know what clout is. Honestly, you do sound like a. Well, I don't. I never try to talk bad about people, but you are asking for it. So I rather just block you now instead of focusing on the negativity. But eventually, you will come back with a different account. So what I will do, I will just ignore any questions you have or any comment you have, and you can find help elsewhere. I will not focus my attention on negativity. Sorry for the question. I had to step away for a meeting. Question: is the Cronus stablecoin good? Thanks for your answer. I have no idea about Cronus stablecoin. I haven't really looked into it. So I've always been using DAI stablecoin. Nothing this geezer says come true. Wake up, people. This is a project. A project is long term. It's not some magical stuff. Everyone should sit back and relax. I believe the journey will be worthwhile. Like I said, it's all a mindset. This is what differentiates the 1% from the masses. And this is why the 1% of the world owns almost all the wealth in the world, guys. They have the proper mindset. And everyone else is just a slave to them. He does not know what clout is either. Interesting. Block him, DeFi. I'll give him another chance. Eventually, they always come around. If XRP goes up, will XLM goes up as well? Yes, it will. All crypto moves together. When the market moves, all crypto follows. Guys, relax on the insult against Visionary DeFi. He is just sharing his knowledge. Yeah, I know. I know how to handle the negativity sometimes, but sometimes you trying to help people, but they can't see it. So you just have to let them be. Their minds can be their own worst enemies. How you feel about Volt Inu? I believe Volt Inu will do well if the team can stop dumping. You're right, bro. Opportunity is not for everyone. Exactly. Or else everyone in the world will be millionaires and billionaires right now. Only those who are worthy will see the opportunity, and the opportunity will present itself to them. We may retrace to 62 before the pump on Terra Classic. It's a possibility, but I don't really see it. When will the burn proposal initiate? I have no idea. What you mean dumping how? Alberto, I like the music. Thank you. Haters will always try to talk you out of your money. Remember that? Yeah. I've had many businesses before, guys, where I've experienced this. So your best friend turns into your enemies based on envy, because of envy and jealousy. This is why I like crypto, because crypto, you don't really depend on people but yourself for your success. The DAI stablecoin, is it DAI ERC? Yes, it's an ERC token. Yeah, some people just don't get it, but will wish them all the best. Yeah, exactly. Dag, you must be new to crypto. Hush it and learn a few things. Bro, stop getting mad over 2K coins. Get some real bag. Yeah, imagine when crypto really starts to move. Let's say, for instance, us holders, once we get into hundreds of thousands, your profit is going to be um, your profit is going to be fluctuating tens of thousands of dollars in minutes. So that's kind of going to be very nervous. So it's not for everyone. So, and especially once you get into the millions, your profits is going to be fluctuating in hundreds of thousands. So just one move to the downside, you will see your portfolio goes down by a few hundred thousand. So some people don't have the mind in the stomach to withstand those type of movements. So most of them will have already sold out too early. So if you can't stomach these slight movements downward, then you really can't stomach the moves when you get into the million. But most people will not even make it up there. It's not for the weak. That is why most weekends already sold out. Guys, how much money you are investing in Classic Moon right now? The amount of money, greetings from Miami, but I am born from Venezuela. Any amount you can afford is a good amount. Yeah, I agree. A lot of people start feeling instant regret after they see a dip and they completely forget the bigger picture. Yeah. The end goal, yeah, most people do forget the end goal is financial freedom. Luna Classic will hit $1 before July. Yeah, for sure. I truly believe that. It's just not. It's time to pump yet, and people just lose hope. Yeah. If you can't hold yourself from selling, then simply don't look at your crypto wallet and forget it and come back in a month. Yes, I agree. Those big dips are scary though. Just because technically any coin can go to zero. Yes, that is true. But this coin has already reached zero, guys. So this is why it's a good investment. It's gonna be rare for you to lose. Bro, you ate already? That was fast. No, I have yet to make breakfast. My girlfriend's making breakfast. Till then, movies and snacks. I agree. The journeyman. Be calm and inspired. Do not pretend being brave, but panicky. In both ends of the candle. Be calm and inspired. Yeah. Or go out or go work out physically, mentally, and sexually. Yeah, investing is about just investing and just giving yourself peace of mind, not always looking at the chart, guys. Let the seed grow. Leave that for the day traders and let that stress them out. Let them stress themselves out. This is so bullish, just a matter of time before the pop. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just saw your image, your picture, James. Nice pic, by the way. When do you think FOMO will kick in for Luna Classic? By that time, it will be too late. Yeah, FOMO has already started yesterday, and today it will continue. And then a lot of people will be FOMOing at the top as well. Should I always use the ERC20 when buying crypto coins? No, not necessarily. ERC simply mean it's on the Ethereum blockchain. Other cryptos will be on different blockchains like Terra, I mean like Luna. Luna is on Terra blockchain, but it's also on the Ethereum blockchain. That is so true. Nice pump back to the upside. Exactly, guys. A lot of people already lost hope and left and left the chat. This is why it's key to be patient. The patients are always rewarded. Yeah, once it reached point 10 cents, everyone's going to go crazy. Yes, exactly. Real diamond hands hold when things are at its worst. Yes. Actually, you will notice that new coins are on multi chains. Yes. Look like we are starting to climb back up, guys. Have you ever panic sold in the past? Yes, I have when I was day trading. But after I transitioned into just having an investor mindset, I just hold, and that stopped me from panic selling. It's all psychological. The psychological take profit Luna Classic $1. Next $4 to $6. Yeah, a lot of people plan on taking profit at $1. All new investors panic sell until they learn. Exactly. Happens to the best of us. Panic sellings happen when you get margin calls. Yes, exactly. I used to trade on margin calls. It's dangerous, especially in crypto. So that was the only way I would panic sell. This is why I don't recommend leverage trading and margin trading. It's too stressful. Earns 1.2% on all transactions come into act. I have no idea, so I'm expecting it to start today since it's already been approved. Guys, the as we can see, the candle on the 4 hour did turn green. So it went back and retested the support. It got rejected, so it's only up from here. So within the next 3 hours, expect the pump. So I will go ahead and enjoy my breakfast. I will see you guys in the Telegram. Peace. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night, and enjoy your evening based on the location you are at.